Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we shall discuss the chapter Teeth and Microbes that is present in your class 4 science book chapter 2. So let's begin with the chapter. Types of teeth. So what are the two types that we can see here? Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. What are these temporary teeth? They are also called as milk teeth. What are they called? Milk teeth. They actually appear completely at the age of 3 years. At the age of 3 years, all the milk teeth or temporary teeth appears. How many are there in number? 20. There are 20 milk teeth that appear at the age of 3. 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. Now, permanent teeth. What are these permanent teeth? This permanent teeth appears or start appearing after this milk teeth or the temporary teeth falls. So at what age does this happen? At the age of 6 years, the temporary teeth starts falling or the permanent teeth starts appearing. Okay. Now between the age of 17 to 21, all the 32 permanent teeth appears in our mouth. Now let's move to the next slide. See, now we will learn the kinds of teeth according to their shape. So as you can see in this entire wide open mouth, there are different types of teeth with different shapes. See, this shape is different from these shapes. So now we will learn the kinds of teeth. So as you can see, I have mentioned 4 names, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now we will one by one go through these points. First one is incisors. These 4 teeth that you can see at the front of the jaw are called as incisors. As we know, this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. So in the lower jaw, these 4 teeth are called as incisors. In the upper jaw also, these 4 teeth are called as incisors. So how many incisors we have total in our mouth? 4 plus 4 equals to 8 incisors we have in our mouth. Now canines. What are these canines? Canines are sharp and pointed teeth. Okay, they actually sit beside or sit adjacent to the incisors. So now which one is the canine? This is called as the canines. Similarly, in the lower jaw, this one and this one is called as the canines. Let me show you properly. This one and this teeth are called as canines. So how many canines are there in the upper jaw? 2. And in the lower jaw, this one and this one. Another 2 canines are present in the lower jaw. So 2 plus 2, 4 canines we have in our entire mouth. Now we will learn about premolars. Premolars are exactly sit beside the canines or they are adjacent to the canines. After canines, the 2 teeth are called as premolars. So these 2 and these 2 beside the canines are called as premolars. Similarly, in the lower jaw, these 2 and these 2 teeth are called as premolars. So how many premolars are there in our mouth? 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So there are a total of 8 premolars in our mouth. Now we will learn about molars. How many molars are there? Similarly, so definitely all the rest teeth apart from all these incisors, canines and premolars are said to be molars. So the last 3 teeth beside the premolars are called as molars. So which one is the molar? These 3 in the upper jaw and these 3 also in the upper jaw are called as molars. So how many molars we have in our upper jaw? 3 plus 3, 6. Similarly, beside these premolars, these 3 in the lower jaw and these 3 in the lower jaw are called as molars. So 6 plus 6 equals to 12 molars we have in our mouth. And premolars, as we have seen, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 premolars. So let's calculate how many teeth are present in our entire mouth. So in our entire mouth, or the permanent teeth when it appears, the total number is 8 plus 8 plus 4 canines plus 8 premolars plus 12 molars. So 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 equals to total of 32 teeth in the entire mouth of an adult is present. That is 32 permanent teeth we have in our mouth. So now we will learn about their uses. So what are their uses? So what are their uses? Let's see. Incisors. Incisors are used to bite, like biting of the banana. Okay. They are used for biting purpose. Canines. Canines are used to tear or tearing of food. Why? Because they are sharp and pointed, as we have discussed. Premolars. Premolars are used to crush the food. Molars are used for grinding. Now let's see about canines in carnivorous animal or the flesh-eating animals. As you can see, this is a lion and these teeth particularly are called as canines. See, they are big and sharp. These teeth are big and sharp. So lion also have 4 canines in its entire mouth. So there are 4 canines which helps the lion to tear the flesh of the herbivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores are plant-eating animals and carnivores are these flesh-eating animals. So this pointed teeth help the carnivores like lion, leopard, tiger to tear the flesh and eat. Now let us solve few choose the correct answer questions. So first one is teeth help us to bite, smile, talk and all of this. So definitely for biting teeth is always required. For smile. Now let's take the example of 2 30-year-old person. One person is having all the teeth in his mouth and other is having 2 incisor teeth, as we have discussed about incisors, 2 incisor teeth less. So as these 2 teeth are not present in this person, whose smile will be more appropriate or whose smile will be more beautiful? The person with all the teeth. Now what about talking? That is number C. A 90-year-old man with no teeth in his or her mouth will not that much properly talk in compared to a 30-year-old person with all the 32 teeth. Right? So the answer will be all of this. That is, teeth is used for biting, smiling as well as talking. The second question. The first set of teeth that appears in the childhood is called, as we have discussed, milk teeth, because milk teeth appears during childhood, which after the 6 years it falls and we get the permanent teeth. Question 3. The teeth used to crush food are called as premolars. Like the herbivores, they have well-defined premolars for crushing the food like the plant products, like the plant stem, leaf. So they have proper well-defined premolars. So premolars are used for crushing the food. Question number 4. Bigger and sharper canines are found in, already we have discussed, I have given the example of the lion also in the previous slide. So it will be carnivores. So this was it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.